स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू माय चैनल लवली टीच विद लिटरेचर से मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक ध्वनि थ्योरी। चलिए लेट्स सी देखिए इंट्रोडक्शन। आनंद वर्धन वाज अ वेल रेपुटेड कश्मीरियन पोएट एंड फिलोसोफर। कहलाना द celebrated author of Rastaranjani mentioned him as one of the ornament adorning the court of King Avantivarman. The medieval Alamkara Karivas felt that for the purpose of aesthetic experience and Rasanambhati, the aid of the Dhwani must exist because the Rasa experience is never possible on Vakya Bhumi. The Dhwani theory found its first systematic expression in Anand Vardhan's Dhwanloka. His theory dominated Indian poetics from the 9th to 12th centuries AD, though the germs of this doctrine manifest themselves in the speculations of earlier theorians. Anand Vardhana is the first literary critic to give a full-bodied form to the concept and to enunciate a new principle of literary evaluation, absorbing the concept propounded by the earlier theoreticians. Bharat, Anand Vardhana's predecessor and another renowned Sanskrit scholar, propounds the principle of rasa in drama and literature with the basic implication that the poetic context is creatively organized for the communication of feeling. Bharat uses the word nishpati, that is emergence or outcome, for the appearance of rasa when the prime and the ancillary stimuli etc. are creatively organized. The doctrine of suggestion is founded on threefold division of meaning emanating from threefold powers of world viz. Abhida, or the power giving primary denotative meaning; Lakshana, or the power giving secondary derivative or indicated meaning; and Vyanjana, from which the meaning obtained is Vyangyorath, the tertiary or the suggested meaning. This Vyagarath is also known as Dhvanyarath. Defining Dhwani, Anand Vardhana writes that kind of poetry wherein the convention meaning render itself secondary, or the conversation world renders its meaning secondary and suggests the intended implied meaning, is designated by the learned as Dhwani or suggestive poetry. Conclusion. Dhwani theory is a theory of meaning and symbolism which leads to the poetry of suggestion being accepted as the highest kind of poetry. Dhwani theory is therefore Anand Vardhana's greatest contribution to the poetic world. Anand Vardhana's Dhwani theory is highly supported by Abhinav Gupta. अगर ये टॉपिक स्टूडेंट आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अगर कोई और टॉपिक चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें। ओके बाय।